Hey everyone. So I wanted to take a minute to talk about the Desmos scientific calculator and how it's different than, your yellow handheld, right? So the first thing is this is a test that we've all taken so far, and it's got the embedded calculator on the test itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that little calculator button, and you can see it's a calculator button because it's got like plus, minus, multiply, equal sign, that kind of stuff. So we're gonna click that, and then Desmos is gonna pop up here. It's a little bit of a smaller box, right? But it's still the same calculator as if we still went to desmos.com and we opened up the scientific calculator. So it's the same process, right? This one's just a little bigger. So let's go back here. So the functions are still the same, right? So the one thing I wanted to show you was we can use the keypad, like the mouse pad, to click on anything we want. So if I wanted to solve this problem, that was a test question problem that we had done, is I'm gonna get the fraction bar. Well, the fraction button is A over B, and you can see it right over here, A over B. So I'm gonna click that button, and it's gonna pop up as a fraction, and I can type in 8. I can click down in this little box to get the 9, and just type in 9, and then I can click to the side, and I can hit minus, and then I can set up a parentheses, and I can again set up the parentheses as a button, because everything that is on your regular calculator, like the handheld calculator, is on here. So we can do that. I can hit minus, and then I can do the A over B button again and do 2 over 3. And then I can end the parentheses, and it's gonna give me an answer here, right? Now, if I want this as a fraction, because look, all of our answer choices are fractions, I'm just gonna click that little fraction button. Because you see if you hover over it, it says convert to fraction. So there we go. So, and 14 over 9, that's my answer. So I would have selected D for this problem. So that's how the Desmos scientific calculator is gonna work. It works out just the same way, right? Because if you were using your handheld calculator, right, we would do the same thing. I would just click the N over D button, and I would type in 8 over 9, and then everything like that, right? So that's how that works, okay? So you don't have to worry about converting anything. It'll automatically convert for you. Or if we wanted to just put in a normal question and then convert it to a fraction, it'll still do that, right? So you can also use your keypad, like the keypad on the Chromebook. So let's say I just wanted to do some regular calculations. So if I wanted to do, let's say 3 plus, I would hit shift and the plus sign 4, and it would automatically give my answer. So you can either use the keyboard to type in stuff, or you can use your mouse pad to type in anything here too. So all the functions are exactly the same. You don't really have to worry about anything else here. So you would stay on main and the fraction bar, and then we would go from there, right? So that's how we use the Desmos scientific calculator. It might take a little bit longer to get used to, but we'll start practicing it as we go. Thanks.